Are you taping it? Mm-hmm. All right, Grandma, I'm going to make him swim by your face. Come back. Yeah. It's filled with helium, and he's got a track pod on his belly, which makes him go up and down, and then the back fin is what makes him go forward and left and right.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just learning how to drive him. Here he comes. There he goes. There he goes.
Oh my goodness, Ruby's going fishing.
Grandma's going, oh, why me? Does he get stuck over there? No, I'm bringing him back up. Static electricity. Mm-hmm. What?
Yeah.
The old people down there watching.
And I got another grandbaby coming. Bye.
Hey. What if he gets sucked outside?
What is that?
He's waiting. Just waiting for the elevator. That is kind of scary though. I know, he's a little buzzed. Waiting. Oh, and imagine if it was the shark instead. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be bad. Can try again? Hi.
Hi. That's quite a greeting. Oh, that's remote control?
Yeah, I'm trying to steer him into the elevator. There he goes. Good job. Woo, I did it. All right, down we go. Second more. Get your fish stuck in the door. All right, turn around now so you can exit the elevator. Turn around. This is safe. Okay, where's Grandma's room? This way? Okay. Picking up some seed.
In somebody else's day. You dream about going up there, but that is a mistake.
So he is so jealous.
The world around.
Yeah, well, but
And this thing is inside, and where's Twinkie right now?
outside. Hi.
Under the sea.
RC!
Under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. I'm on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away.
Hello. Well, you wouldn't see this normally. In of all places, not a retirement home.
Not normally.
Happy as after the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy. It's hard 'cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky. They in for a worse fate. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you go beyond the pay. But oh, under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks loves to cook. Under the sea, we after hook up. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea.
Oh, yeah.
Here we come to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the rail did it the earth start to play. We got this spirit, you got to give it.
There's a video online of this thing scaring a cow on the table.
The place play the bass.
It's under the table.
The bass play the brass, the chub play the top. The flute is the duke of soul. The way he can play the lays on the strings, the top. The blackfish is in the snout and the spot. They know where it's at. They know that blowfish blow.
Twink, what do you think about Nemo? Huh? What do you think about... Oh, really? Really?
What's in there, Twink? What's in there?
Oh, it's just a fishy.
What's in there?
Coming to get you,
Twink.
coming to get you.
I'll show it.
The fish can sit on the couch too. You're not special by sitting on the couch.
I don't mind.
What?
He's peeing!
Oh, for crying out
You
loud.
didn't take him on a pee walk before you took him in.
Brought him in the house. No, I didn't. Was that?
Well, yeah, that's kind of like what you do before you bring a dog into a house.
I think we stop filming now.
Yeah.
Do we?